Want to learn how to create an email automation in GetResponse? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to set up your first automated campaign, saving you hours of manual work. So let's dive right into the first thing you need to do: log into your GetResponse account. If you haven't signed up yet, you can get started with a free trial, so there's no risk to jump in. Once you're in, head to the Automation tab on the left side of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Now, once you click on Automation, you'll see the option to create a new workflow. The second thing you'll want to do is click on the Create Workflow button. You'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you're new, but for this walkthrough, let's go ahead and start from scratch to show you the full process. Next thing, you'll be taken to a blank canvas where you can set up your automation triggers and actions. For example, one of the most common triggers is when someone subscribes to your list. You can select the trigger, subscribe to a list, and specify which list it applies to. This way, every time a new contact joins, they're entered into your automation flow. Then, let's talk about the actions. For the fourth thing, actions are what happen after the trigger. You might want to send a welcome email right after someone subscribes, so select the Send Message action. Choose an email you've already created or create a new one right there. GetResponse makes it super simple to do this within the same window. The next thing you should know is how to add more steps to your automation. For example, you can set up a delay to space out your emails. Let's say you want to follow up 3 days after sending your welcome email, so you would add a delay step. This gives you control over when your emails go out, preventing overwhelming your subscribers. Now, here's the critical part. If you want to get more advanced with your automations, you can segment your audience based on their behavior. If a subscriber opens your welcome email but doesn't click on a link, you could set up an automation that sends a reminder email, or even a special offer. This segmentation is a key part of email marketing automation and really helps increase engagement. Once you're happy with your automation, hit Save and Publish, and you're good to go. Your automated email workflow is now live, working behind the scenes, sending emails to your subscribers without you lifting a finger. But before you go, let me be honest with you. While GetResponse is a great option for creating email automations, there are alternatives out there that might be better for your specific needs. GetResponse has a solid suite of features, but if you're really focused on ease of use and scaling, there are some newer platforms that provide even more powerful tools for automation with better user interfaces and integrations. In fact, I've put together a list of my top alternatives that offer not just free trials, but extra benefits to make your automation even more powerful. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive, extended free trial available only through this video. You'll get all the benefits without the hassle, plus you can try out some alternatives that might work better for your goals. So, go ahead and check out the link in the description for your best deal, and let me know in the comments which automation platform works best for you.